These shrimp so good.
It trap season, bro. It trap season, bro. It trap season, bro.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a long time, and I'm gonna make another video about why I've been gone for so long. My name is Cori. Welcome to CoriNation. Yeah, so this is my channel and my first video of 2019. I haven't done a video since 2017. So it's been a long time since I've done a video. But anyway, without further ado, as you can see, this is a mukbang, or whatever you want to call it. We went to our nearest seafood restaurant, J&C Seafood. So if you're in the Birmingham area, go to J&C Seafood. They're very affordable and it's so good. So we just got something small, you know. I'm just gonna jump on this mukbang challenge. I mean, train like everybody else is doing. But I got this. It looks really small, but it's enough for me. I got full off of it last time, so hopefully I get full off of it again. Paris, she got the same thing. One thing we got different was the seasoning. I got garlic, no, I got lemon pepper, and you got Cajun. So we got just some crab legs, and some corn and shrimp and potatoes, sausages. But I didn't get sausages this time because I don't like their sausages.
They're good.
I don't like their sausages. But we're not gonna be extra in this mukbang. We're just gonna talk and we're gonna just describe the food and stuff like that. And I don't know how to do this, but I'm just gonna go do it. I need a fork. You give me a fork. My nail. I just broke my nail, y'all. So, oh, this lemon pepper is good.
You want plastic?
You give me a plastic fork. I just threw it all in the I'm through. So, I need to make another video about where I've been and why I'm just changing my whole concept of my channel, because I just left YouTube. Like, I just really left YouTube. And I just don't want to. There's such a snob stuff. It's gone. It's dead. It's just CoriNation. So, you know, when I get real big, I'm going to, like, name you guys as the coordinators. But as of right now, just, it is what it is. They put, like, a lot of seasoning in lemon pepper.
My lips burning. It's getting hot.
Yeah, that's what I had that last time. It had me on something. Ugh, why probably still at the bottom of it like this? What's that?
Ugh, what's that?
It's lemon pepper. I'm just saying, it just looks so.
Yeah, you a bigger piece of corn.
Look at me, what?
A bigger piece of corn. That corn good. Now let me one piece.
I just want to know why people like to watch other people eat.
I like it because of the sound. It made me fall asleep too. I like it because of the sound. It's really just ASMR. But mukbangs, like the food they be eating is like, it's like I only eat them when I'm hungry. I don't know why.
And everybody eats the same thing on everybody's eating seafood now. That's all I see people eat, seafood.
From B-Love's life, I feel like she started it. Well, yeah.
If you move. So yeah, my sister got a boyfriend, right?
Oh my god.
And I don't even got a man.
Why everybody talk about the same thing in their videos?
What you talking about?
Because I be watching these mukbangs, they be like confronting my little sister about her boyfriend.
She got a boyfriend. And I'm trying to see how she got a whole man out here in these streets.
Not in the streets, that's cool.
In school or whatever, and I don't even have one. I don't even got one. Not one. I mean, I got some prospects, but I'm just saying, like, ain't nobody trying to cuff me for real. Braxton, stop.
Oops.
So, yeah, this won't be long. I don't know what to talk about, but
That potato's nasty.
You don't like the potatoes?
Nope.
That's good to me.
Below like black.
What we doing there?
I can't even know how to do it. She be sucking on the shrimp.
Before she eat it. She get all her money's worth, baby. She don't play.
And then once she pull it off, she be like, She got her own sauce called Be-Love sauce. I want to try that so bad.
Braxton, don't play with me right now. I gotta do too much stuff in my channel. I gotta change my banner. I gotta do so much. I gotta delete those videos. So by the time y'all see this video, my other video is probably gonna be deleted. So
That's the one. That's the birthday one.
what birthday one?
The one you vlog for my 10th birthday.
I forgot about that.
Everybody when I don't talk about it no more. But when I did, everybody used to be like, "Oh, I want to see you on YouTube. Your brother on YouTube." And everybody like, "Dang, your brother famous." I'm like, "He only got 300 some views. That's not famous."
Don't be no hater.
I'm not being a hater.
I'm really gonna hate. You don't even need butter with this.
So don't. But it's hot.
You smacking for real.
So our mom's out of the country.
Yep. We here by ourselves. She going to Puerto Rico.
Oh, I thought you said she was at the Dominican Republic.
I mean, she going there too, but she in Puerto Rico right now. What is grandma calling? Hello?
I've been called Mike and try to call Coco today. I was calling her just to talk to her, but she still ain't getting no phone call.
She ain't call you today?
Need some money down there.
She ain't call you today? Well, she called me when they got off the boat. They was walking in Puerto Rico and
I told Coco, I said, Coco, you and Jesse don't need to be breaking up for me. Y'all need to stay in a group. I said, thank you, me. I said,
I told them.
Be safe down there.
My grandma said they traveling like some herds down there.
Yeah, but they need to travel night.
Mama text me good morning, but I didn't get it till 3 until I got out of school.
Yeah, she called me this morning.
Y'all at a restaurant.
I'll be at home.
Oh, y'all, all of y'all some crab legs.
Yeah, we had ordered them and went and picked them up and brought them home.
So you gonna get them $5 meal dish.
It was her idea. It was her idea to go to J&C Seafood because she wanted some. I want some shrimp. And I said, I'm about some crab legs or something. She J&C Seafood. And that's what we end up coming to.
I knew they were some nails. They eat no nails. Be sure she gonna go pay $5 for some nails. I said, baby, that cheap compared to what they pay for her nails.
She be trying to.
She can go get nails for $20. What you can go get nails here for $20? Recently in a ghetto place where somebody don't know what they doing. They don't do nails. They don't do nails no more for $20.
It just depends. Now you go to the hood, a lot more stuff down here nails for with $30 and stuff.
Okay.
But shoot, sometimes even the place they be charging a lot, nails still be coming out. They be cracking. Polish stuff be coming out.
That's half of our video right there.
I know it. We ain't got to talk about.
You got New Year's resolutions or New Year goals?
Yeah. My New Year goals are save my money better, living a budget better. Let's see. Be positive, optimistic, try to have a better attitude. Attract great energy, good energy, positive energy. And just progress. Just progress throughout the year. That's all I want to do is progress.
I don't have no goals.
You don't?
Nope.
Wow. Trying out for cheerleader?
Yep. Hopefully I make it. Because there's a lot of girls that's way better than me and like tumbling and stuff.
Well, I told you, but say your mama. She better get you some classes so you can go ahead and hurry up and rush it. You want it bad enough. You gotta get them tumbling. They're tumbling now.
But my friend told me that you don't have to know how to do a backflip. They're gonna teach you during summer camp and something like that.
Oh.
If I do make the team.
Oh. Oh.
I got like 3 of those already.
Oh. Oh, okay. You know what, they be getting on my nerves and they'll be so extra and they be biting it and then the juice will be falling from their mouth. They be like, oh, oh.
You're talking about P-Love.
I thought there's a take out of it.
And then she said one thing. She said, y'all really think I'll be over exaggerating? This stuff is so juicy and good. I'll be being extra. I said,
Whatever. Did you eat your king crab legs in the freezer?
Mm-hmm.
When you ate them?
About, I think it was before we started school.
Where was it?
It wasn't here.
Who cooked them for your mama?
Mm-hmm.
Was it the claws or was it the cream? Was it crab leg?
Claws.
Doing that good?
I mean, it didn't look like king. I had king crab before. I had king crab legs. They're not the same thing.
It's not.
Oh.
I'm gonna break my daggone teeth one day.
I think it runs in my family, teeth falling out.
Mm-hmm.
False teeth, because dad got false teeth. Mama got false teeth.
I didn't know he had false teeth.
It's like 1 tooth.
Oh. I ain't never know that. What tooth is it?
I think it's this one. One of these two. He said he blew the whistle and it fell out. I would have been embarrassed. Especially when you coach in front of...
I said, blew the whistle and it fell out.
That's what he told me.
That's awful.
But I didn't know that until he told... I was going to the... He sent me to the doctor one day. He's like, that's the dentist office I go to. I said, oh, he said, they replaced my tooth. I was like, what?
You never knew it, huh?
But it's glued in. And grandma... Cause I don't know who, I think Whoop told me that grandma had, Hopefully my teeth don't come out, cause it seems like it's running in the family.
Cause I do. How long do mukbangs used to be?
They don't have to be. They can be as long as you want them.
You still got some crab legs there?
Yep. Well, we got one left.
What?
You ate that quick.
It wasn't not but a half a pound.
I'm talking about this.
Oh. Ain't there's a seafood place in Door now?
Yeah, it's been there.
You got been there and ate.
A bunch of times.
Was it good?
Mhm.
It's like this.
They said, well, it don't come in the bags.
What'd it come in?
On a plate. Except you don't get to choose what flavor seasoning you want.
What flavor they got? I'm sorry, but this better than Red Lobster. Red Lobster don't have a flavor like that.
I used to want to go to Red Lobster all the time. I want to go. Luke's trying to take me to that seafood place and Juicy Crab. He's trying to take me there. You ever been there?
I need to go there.
I'm in full.
They told me you wanted the pound.
I didn't know.
I told you if I can get full off this, I know you can. And how much food you got left?
I only got some shrimp left. 2 pieces of shrimp.
I gotta create another intro, outro, everything.
I got 2 pages. I got the slow trio, and I have what's it called? I think it's called the Pretty Squad. I made the intro for both of them.
Now last time I had crab legs, crawfish, and shrimp. That was real full.
How much you paid for that?
$25. Whoa! Well, I'm down to my last shrimp.
Me too.
Once again, I had the Cajun bucket combo, which
I had the Cajun.
lemon pepper combo pot with the crab legs and shrimp with the potatoes, corn. I didn't have sausage, but she had everything. And she had Cajun, and I had lemon pepper. So. This is the more classic mukbang, because the UFO, they just be doing the most. I'm like, just take all of that.
What are you doing, Drake?
I mean, just all in the camera like this. Like, you see that? I'm like, what? What that supposed to do?
Like,
I then one girl, she was like,
look at that.
She was like, here, take a bite. You want a bite? Yeah. I'd be like, really?
Oh yeah, I was seeing that. Huh.
Just eat the food.
Please.
Enjoy yourself. I'm good fool. Thank you guys so much for watching this mukbang. I'll try to do some more of these mukbangs, but I don't know. I just feel, But I have another video I have to do to explain where I've been, why I left YouTube, and like really what the future holds for me in my YouTube. Because I really like YouTube. I miss YouTube, and I need to do some hair stuff, some makeup stuff. Well, not really makeup. I mean, I'll do some makeup stuff, but the makeup thing is just kind of dead to me. Everybody do the same thing with makeup. I mean, you may get a little creative here and there with some eye stuff, maybe a lip thing going on right now, but everybody do the same thing with makeup, so there's no point. Now, what I will do is show you how I keep my hair done, maintain. I may do some have my clients or whatever, some friends, as I'm doing their hair or whatever, kind of do like some cool, fun, easy tutorials or whatever, just straight to the point, not all that talking and stuff like that, because I don't do all that talking. It just, baby, excuse me, get to the point of the video. That's just so extra. You gotta do all the talking, but yeah. So this is my sister Paris.
I know they're gonna introduce me.
What did I about?
You introduced me in the beginning.
Oh, I'm sorry. But that was good for me to get cleaned up and eat some fruit, watch a little TV. I think Love and Hip Hop is on, so we're gonna watch that.
Did you say goodbye?
It's trap season, bro.